What's up guys, today we're going to be reviewing this SYONCON Wi-Fi adapter because my current one is dead, like really dead, like I don't think it could be any more dead. So we got a new box. Filming this with one hand, so it may not be the best filming standard, but oh well. So we've got the USB thing, the screws. Very good. Got the bracket and the Wi-Fi. It's very good. Like red heatsink, Wi-Fi 6E. Okay, so now we've also got these big boy antennas. Pretty simple installation. You basically just unscrew this, put that there. Do that, open the case. Well, that was out of focus. Then you just pull this thing out. Like, if you can't install this correctly, then maybe you shouldn't really be using tech. Okay, so now we've got that uninstalled. Now to install this. Don't say anything in the comments because I know no one will probably see this video. Okay, so you just plug that in. Yeah, and then you close the door of your case. Okay, now with the antennas on, we can turn on the computer. Okay, so this is the new speed for the next one. Big improvement. It's good enough. I mainly just play TF2 and stuff. Like you can see all the games I play here. Take that as you must. Yeah, so that's a new thing. Recommend you buy it. Maybe. But you'll get a lot faster speeds than me. Like, I'm at the corner of my house and the Wi-Fi router is at the front of my house and it's literally behind my PC case. So considering all that, very good. I would recommend you buy it if you only got about 20 quid to spend on something. It's about $36, but yeah, you should buy it. Didn't really have anything planned for the like outro or anything. So yeah, bye.